Today I'll be giving us a step-by-step guide on how to create our accounts on Poppo Life. There are two ways we can download the app, either from Play Store from our phones or through a link sent to you by a Poppo Life user. Okay, so once you have downloaded the app, the next thing you are to do is to open the app so we can start creating. If you're new here, you're welcome. On this channel, we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. So today we'll be talking about Poppo Live. As we all know, Poppo Live is a global live streaming and social networking app where people watch live videos, go live themselves, send and receive virtual gifts. Okay, so we are going to go straight into installing our Poppo Live. So what do we do first? The first thing we have to do is to open our Poppo Live app. Okay. Once you open the Poppo Live, I'll be sharing the screen, so you'll be following it. Now, turn on notifications. You just press OK. The next thing you ought to do, okay, you allow. The next thing you ought to do is to log in with Google. So you log in with Google, you user agreement, you accept it. So that is the step-by-step guide. So you select the first account, which is your Google account. Okay, so you allow it to load. You have to be patient with it to load, but you have to have a strong network for you to be able to get it. Okay, it's still roaming. Okay, now it's done. Allow Google to sign you into Poppo, agree and share. Okay, that's it. Now we are here. So the next thing you have to do is to put your nickname. Put your nickname. My nickname is already Obina, but I don't use Obina. I use Beloved. Okay. My name is Beloved. Okay. You put your date of birth. You can choose any day. 2003, no. You can choose any year. Choose any year. Okay, then your date, your day, then your month. Sorry, this is your month. Then your year, your day, sir. Your day, you confirm. So when you have put it, you confirm. Please make sure that you choose male and female correctly, because after here you will not be having any opportunity to choose male or female. So you tap on female. Now, if you were invited by a host or a Poppo Life user, you put it here. But if you were not invited, you leave it. Okay, you just tap on submit. Okay, I did not remember we have a photo we have to put here, which it has told us to put one photo. Up here you put your photo, allow access, just pick anyone, pick any video, sorry, any picture, not video. You put any picture. What are the pictures on this phone? No picture again. So you tap on it, you tap on it and select and select. So once you select, okay, it has been registered, you then submit. Okay, you then submit. Requesting location, can confirm. So now I've already received 100 coin immediately. So you confirm. Allow Poppo Live to access this device location while using the app. Okay, I don't need that. You can check for details later. So this is where it's going to bring you into. Okay, this is the home page where you start your journey. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to tap on this last icon here, which is you okay. Now easy daily income $10, reach the target gap, endpoint now. Okay, thank you. Now anything they bring out, just be clicking I see. So you come here. The first thing you have to do is to go straight to down here where you see authentication. Very important. You have to click on it first. Then you see face authentication. This is where you start to certificate. Make sure you go to a place that is that is bright. You can go outside or you can put on the light, but make sure that your face comes out very well. If not, this thing particular place can delay you for like hours. Okay, so after doing that, you bind your phone. You put your phone number. I always advise, if you have a phone number that is tied to your account or pay or palmpay or whatever, you can use it here. Okay, so or number whatsapp number, so you just put it here. Now when you put it, they are going to send you you are going to do a captcha. You type next. Okay, this one has been banned, so I don't want to take risk. So you drag a captcha. It will show you a slide on how to get it. Okay, so when you get there, the next thing you have to do, they are going to send you a verification code. So you're going to enter the code there and make sure you get the code correctly. Type the code correctly. Okay, then that will be all there. So that's the two places that's the first thing you have to do when you enter Poppo Life. Okay, then the next thing you have to do is my agency. You go to my agency, whoever that invited you as an agent. If I'm the one, you're going to type my link, and my id. My ID is 70505997. It has brought me out as an agent. So what I'm going to do is to press tap on this, please enter agent's ID, and that's all. Okay, so you're going to enter into my uh under my agency. Okay, that's that method one. Now when you are done with that, you come up here and start fixing your pictures. You tap on your picture, the one you have done. Then on the right hand side, you're going to see a an icon that is like edit. So when you tap on it, you start filling your pictures here. Then you have nickname. You can rewrite the nickname or you just leave it like that. Then you have gender. Okay, gender has come out again. You can as well. Okay, it's not even clickable. So if you have made mistake on gender, you are not going to change it. Then date of birth, you are allowed to change. Then country, region, then self-introduction. When you tap on this self-introduction, just introduce yourself, like very simple. My name is this, I am this, I am this, I am that. So that's all. Then you can just follow the options and click on the things. Then add tags. Add tags. You can choose your occupation, your constellation, hobby, exercise, and pets. Okay, so when you are done, you tap on save and save the app. So you can now put your pictures here. You put your pictures one after the other. Sorry, I went back too fast. You can start tapping. They have 1 2 3 4 5, including the one you just put 6. So you can start um adding more pictures, then select from album. Don't If you take the new photo, is still okay if you are under an environment that is bright. It can be captured, so you can, but the simplest way is to take from your album. So select from album. Once you are done, just fill up the remaining ones. If you can fill 3 or 4, no problem. So then at the end, you tap on this icon by the left hand side and come out. Congratulations, you have joined, okay, successfully. Okay, the next thing you have to do, on the right hand side, you see your points, which you are going to be these points, we are going to take it one after the other. This withdraw now and all that. So we are going to, is another video for another day, so that this one will not be too long. Then we have on the left hand side, you have your coins, okay, and how to buy. But it's always cheaper if you buy outside the app. The app is more expensive than outside, okay. So that's it. Now that's for the profile. Then on the first icon here, you come here, that's live, where people are going live here. So down here you see live icon, you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to take you to your live streaming app. Now we have face authentication. You have to do that face authentication first. Do you understand? You have to do your face authentication first before you come here. If not, it will not open. Now the next thing you have to do is put your live photo. Okay, then once you put your live photo, you tap on live now, because it's going to change to blue. You tap on live now, and that's it. Okay, so the next thing now, once you tap on it, you come out live. I didn't tap on it because my number has been registered. I don't know whose number I'm going to use. I don't want to take risk. So just follow the step and you will get it. Okay, the next icon is where you have party. You now tap on again on party. Okay, no, there will be no need self tapping on party, because you are not to start your own panel. So the best thing is to tap on following. Okay, now when you tap on following, you tap on this search button. You can type my own ID 70505997. That's my ID. Then you search it. Once you search it, you see my uh, agency number. You just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you enter into you can tap on following by the side down here, so that you can follow me anytime I'm live. You'll be able to come and do your sitting tasks in my panel. So that's it. But if I'm live, immediately you tap on it, you will join me in my panel. So that's it. Okay, now let's cancel. That's how to do your task. What again are we to do here? The video is becoming long. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, so we are going to cancel and come out. Now this second to the last is your message. You have official announcement, income reminder, and all that. You have your income. Tap to claim your 100 coin and all that. I'm not claiming anything. Okay, now account security center and the rest. So this is how to start from the first stage to, I will not say the last stage, because we have so much to talk about on Poppo Live, like so much. So if you have not subscribed to my channel or like this video at this level, please, what are you waiting for? Click that like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in this Poppo Live live streaming app, please just type Poppo Live on the comment section, or I'm interested on the comment section. Then we'll kick off from there. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm happy to have you around. So see you in our next video. Bye for now.